YouTube channel. Happy Wednesday to everybody. Okay, so I'm going to start a BIGO Live app tutorial series, right? I know a lot of people, they come onto BIGO, they don't know what it is, they don't know where this app came from, so I'm here to show you guys a little something. Yeah, so stick around while I'll take you deep inside of the world of BIGO on these different videos to let you know how to get paid, how to become a live broadcaster, all the gifts, everything that comes with BIGO. Okay, so let's get started. This is video number 1 in the series, and it's entitled, What is BIGO Live? So BIGO Live is a free application. You can download it from your Android App Store or from your Apple iOS Apple Store. So, guys, BIGO Live is a free app, right? And it was first introduced in 2014 by a founder named David Lee and Jason Hughes. Now, this is an overseas app. It is from Singapore, okay? It was just recently bought by, the company is called Joyy, and it is now on the NASDAQ. It was bought in 2019, okay? And is now on NASDAQ, and you can actually purchase a stock in the BIGO Live app. Yeah, you can do that. Okay, so the app was originally created in 2014 through a company in Singapore called BIGO Technology, okay? And yeah, it is an overseas app. It is very new in the United States. It's only been here 5 years in the United States, even though it was created in 2014. Yeah, so okay, so now I'm going to take you guys into the app, right? Because I want to show you a couple things. I want to show you what the app really is, how to download it, and how to get started on BIGO today. So give me one second. We are in my Apple Store, okay? Because I have an iPhone. But you can definitely get this app on Android phones as well by going to your Google Play Store, okay? So what you do is you go down to the search button down there and you enter BIGO Live. Okay? And when you go to BIGO Live, you're going to see, look at the app. You just see the app there, and you got to go ahead and click on it. And in my case, I already have the app, so it's going to tell me to open the app up. Okay? So you just click on it, and then it's going to take you right here. Now, as you can see, this is the BIGO Live app. Okay? Let's hit press OK. Okay, now you can log in from Facebook. You can sign in with your phone number. You can use your Apple device, like your Apple email. And you can use Google. You can use your Google email as well. You can also use Twitter if you have a Twitter account. Now, I don't know what that VK is, but, you know, I guess you can use it too. Now, listen, guys. It's good to read terms and conditions. As you see, they got the terms of use, broadcaster agreement, and private policy. So let me just explain something real quick. The terms of use are the terms about the app, okay? So if you're just coming on the app and you don't really know much about it, go in the terms of use because it talks a lot about the payment methods, recharging, how your money is converted, and stuff like that. Now, when you go into the broadcaster agreement section, if you are a broadcasting host and you are getting paid through BIGO Live, you can go into the broadcaster agreement area and you can read up on all the rules and regulations for the broadcasters. And then, of course, you got your private policy. So for this preview, we're going to go ahead and log in with one of my accounts. This is my recorder account, okay? Because I want to show you a little bit of what's going on BIGO. So when you log in, you're going to get to the popular page. This is the first page that you're going to see on your phone, okay? Now, as you can see, if you scroll up and down, you're going to see all these popular people. These people are all on the popular page because they all are top broadcasting hosts. Okay? You have a U.S. Live House, which is really cool because if you sign up for this and you get to be in here, you get an extra 2,000 people in your room. You don't know where they come from, who they are, but those could be potential hosts and possibly potential supporters in the future. You also have a nearby section where you can view people nearby in your area. Okay? So these are people in New York City, and you can view them all over New York and your local area. You can also view the chat section. This section here are people that have panels. Panels are different. We'll talk about panels on another video. But these are people that actually looking to chat with other people on a panel. Okay? And then you have your gaming section where these are just people that are live streaming their games and stuff like that on the app. And we'll talk about that in a whole nother video because you can not only stream on a phone, but you can also stream on your computer and your PlayStation. So I'll show you guys how to do that on another video. Okay, so if you go up here to the little magnifying glass, you can actually put in a name and search who you want to look after. So in my case, let's put in Mandy LV because that is my profile. And we'll see what it looks like. Okay, as you can see, relevant host. And you click on it. And guess what? That's me. That's my profile. Okay? It says I'm on level 38. We'll talk about all this stuff up here in other videos because we're going to talk about families, how to create a family. We're going to talk about your Cosmo area, how to get a brighter microphone, how you get all these tags on here. We're going to talk about every single thing. Don't worry about it. Okay? Now, if you go back to the main page that you was on, okay, you go all the way down to the bottom. If you go down to the bottom and you click on that little happy face on the very bottom corner, that is going to take you to your profile. As you can see, it says the recorder because this is my backup page. If you click on that picture, you'll be able to edit everything that's on this page. You can edit the name, the pictures, everything. Now, what you do is you click on that top box on the upper left hand corner with the red dot. You click on that. And that's going to take you to your profile that you can edit everything. You can add more pictures. You only get up to 5 pictures. So, be careful what type of pictures you want to put up there. Also you can edit your name. You can edit your gender, your birthday, your hometown, your languages. You can put some special emojis that is about yourself. And the most important thing is your BIGO ID. You want to really change your BIGO ID to something that's going to be informative, easy to remember, so that when you tell people, hey, follow me on BIGO, they're going to say, what's your BIGO ID? You want to make it nice and simple. Okay? And you can also enter a short bio about yourself or about your content. Okay? As you can see, this page is very generic. It doesn't have any tags. It's showing your location. As you can see, there's only one picture, and that's it. Okay? So, okay, let me get out of here. Now, this is your profile where you get to see a lot of stuff. Now, listen. The recorder is not in the family right now. So, it doesn't have a family badge. As you can see, it just says family new. It doesn't have a badge. You can also earn money by referring people onto the app. So, as you can see, you say earn $200. You can refer people onto the app, and you can make money by referring people to come onto the app. Really cool. You got your messages section where people will message you. You have your wallet where you'll see your beans, your diamonds, your coins. We'll talk about all this stuff in another video. You have your posts where you can post pictures and different type of stuff. You have your fan group. We'll talk about fan badges and stuff like that on another video. But this is a great way to gain your loyalty on BIGO. You got a task center. Every time you check in with BIGO Live or you do different tasks, like you watch other people's lives or you send gifts or you follow or share, or even if you chat in the comment box, you get points for that. Now, these are dinosaur donuts that you can give to broadcasted dinos so that their dinos can move up in rank. And it's really cool how you can change your dino up. You got your diamond missions. This is really for gifters. If you're sending out gifts and stuff, if you're recharging, if you're watching lives, you can get extra points and incentives by doing daily missions and weekly missions. Okay? Then you have your item bag. I don't have nothing in this one because, it really don't do much but record shows. This is my recorder account. So I really don't have much in here. But, yeah, you'll get tools and stuff like that. We'll talk about that on another video because it's, a lot of those tags are very important. Then you have an activities tab where you can actually come on BIGO, put money on the app, and you can play a lot of these fun games. Now, on this account, there's only like 2 games open. But if you go onto my account, we have tons and tons of games that we could play. Then you have the Fame Medal. This one doesn't have anything, of course, because it hasn't been on BIGO like that. It's just a recorder app. You got BIGO World Records. It tells you who holds the BIGO championships and stuff like that here on BIGO. Let's see. United States. Well, I was trying to see. Okay, I don't know none of those people. Okay, ranking is the star list. We'll talk about this. This is a very important list. We'll talk about that in another video. You got your level. Right now, this is level 1. On my other account, I'm level 38. So I've passed a lot of good levels, and I have a lot of great stuff. You have your settings section. This is where you would go to log out and, check your block list, do your account management, and stuff like that, And then also you have feedback where you can actually go and ask BIGO questions. If you uploaded some money or if you owe some diamonds or anything like that, you can actually respond to BIGO just like this. So, if you go into the star next to the little happy face, you'll see different people on the popular page, who you can visit, who you can start following and stuff like that. Besides the big red dot here, that you see, hi, hey guys, yeah, you can actually go live on this app like that, just by clicking that circle button. We'll talk more about the lives in another video. But let's exit out of here. And then let's go to this little world globe over here. Now, there's all different types of BIGO. You can go to the Russia side. You can go to the Indonesia side. You can go to Vietnam. All type of places, okay? You can go everywhere around the world if you choose to, and you can meet new people. And this is one thing that I'm going to start doing because I want to meet new people in other countries, Okay, so the next thing is the little house at the very end. Now, this is really for gamers. If you're a gamer and you like to play games, this is a great place to go ahead and hang out at, okay? So that's a quick rundown of the BIGO Live app. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I will see you guys in a future video. Hold on, let me get back. You guys. Hey guys. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My next video will be really great. It talks about host and non-host accounts. Okay, so I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Pew, pew. Pew, pew.